Hi, I'm Lisa, and this is Southern Yankee Designs, a home improvement channel that explores DIY projects, paint tutorials, and savvy decorating tips for your home. And if you're always looking for fresh, new, and inspiring decorating ideas, then click that subscribe button and click that bell to be notified every time there's a new video, and they'll all relate to you and your home. Today's video is all about fall, friends, and Halloween. I decided to have my friend Shannon in and help me make some kind of cool Halloween wreath for my front door. Got a bunch of stuff from the Dollar Tree and things I had on hand from Michael's last year. Some of the ribbons that were in their clearance section, and we're gonna make a cool witch wreath. Got this sign from the Dollar Tree, and we're actually going to just use the bottom part. We're gonna rip that off if you want to do that. And I have no clue how we're going to do this, but we're just gonna do it, and you can watch. We are decorating with friends. I'm decorating with friends today.
I can't hold on to this. Okay, here
And
we go.
she's, and I don't know what you're doing with friends today. We're winging it.
We can cut more.
It's
if we
Wing
need
It
to.
Wednesday. Uh-oh, which way are you? Which way are you folding it?
I'm going back and forth.
In case we need it, we've got some wire. So then you have like this kind of thing going on. And I'm just going to take a wire, piece of wire, and just twist the wire around that center part, and then I'll fluff that up to make ribbon. Doesn't have to be perfect.
That's good. Because this is not.
Sometimes when you don't want it to.
That way.
Okay.
And then just slowly start
Unwrapping.
and then probably I would just even twist and twist one way and then the other. And then we'll
Back
just
and
need
forth.
back and forth, and then that will actually we'll probably have to wire that down, but
Now, do you want to take that a little bit further
Further
out that
around.
way so it's not?
Yeah.
Well, it's gonna kind of look
It's-
like her dress, the bottom of her dress.
probably
which
right
is
there.
Kind of what we're wanting. Now, how are we gonna hold that on there? Do you want me to cut some pieces of wire?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you have any even fishing wire, string, anything like that? Because it's clear.
Would string be better?
I like to use fishing wire, string.
Yeah, I
It's
don't
clear, it's strong, and
I've got,
it
I
holds
think,
really
black
well.
thread.
But that would
This-
work too. Yeah, that's perfect.
All right, what can I do here?
I have no idea.
We're just doing it.
I'm just, I'm
just
here
doing
helping you, so you tell me what I need to do. I'm just sticking that through and. Oh, shut up.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. There we
This
go.
piece of wire is like way overkill, but you know what? I'm just gonna tuck it in the back. It's a little too long. Here, you want me to hold it up
Oh,
for you?
that would be awesome.
There we
There we
go.
go.
Yeah, now
Now
maybe
I
y'all
can-
can see too. So this is kind of the look we are looking for. So, see, we're gonna have like this whole like full area that's gonna kind of mimic the bottom of her skirt, and her little bootsy feet are gonna come out the end there. Fun time.
Fun times. So,
Fun with friends.
we
Fun
we got the
friends.
grass.
Halloween
The backyard.
trick-or-treating.
So what I'm doing, I'm actually kind of rotating the wispy long part with the bottom stubby part.
Yeah.
Back and forth, and then we'll cut.
You like the back and forth thing, don't you? I just went out back, and I cut some grass. Because this broom was looking kind of thin.
Yeah, so we just want to fluff
We're
it up
jazzing
a little
it
bit.
up a little with some weeds.
Backyard weed.
My backyard weed. How it kind of looks like, you know, the back of my hair.
You really aren't going to show your party back there, are you?
She said the back of my hair was horrible, so she said I had 2 different hairstyles going on. But you know what? I don't care. We're crafting. This isn't a beauty channel here.
She got the front done, and she never got to the back. So.
Crafting in the front. Well, what would you call it?
Slacking in the back.
Crafting in the front, slacking in the back. That's a good one. Yeah, look at you. Yeah, I like that better.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're so welcome. That's why you're here, because I knew you had some great ideas.
I don't know about that.
Lucky I have this already plugged in.
She's so smart. Play too hard. Germs and all. It fits! And you just start taking and pulling each separate way. So the top one, let's say to the right, and the second little loop would go to the left and then to the right. You know, alternating.
Back and
that
forth,
alternating back and forth again that I guess
Yes.
I like to do.
Yes. And
And then once you do that, then you just fluff everything out and you got a bow.
ta-da!
Ta-da! I think 3 orange would look. What do you think? 3 orange or 3 black?
I like the 3 orange.
3, because it's so black and white anyway. Have
Yeah,
we
I
still-
like the orange.
Okay, so
Don't you think?
orange. That first big old ribbon thing feel like is intense. And then, oh, it's already stuck.
Uh-oh.
You stuck it.
Uh-oh. Okay,
what
so
will
let's
you
do this.
buy?
Look, just put it right in the center.
Yeah.
Look, hello.
Ta-da.
Ta-da. Okay. Perfect. It turned out so cute.
Oh, it is. Yes.
Are you surprised?
Of course not. It's us.
I'm
Yes.
so grateful that she was here to help me with this awesome wreath. I'm getting ready to hang it on my door, and I'll show you what it looks like.
I can't wait to see it.
Oh, that might be off center, but
It all works from a
yeah, but her feet are over here, so it's
Yeah.
all one complete thing. What you think?
awesome.
What do y'all think? Leave a comment below. So I just wanted to go over these items that we did to this wreath one more time, because I know a lot of the footage we were having fun and I didn't get close-ups of what we were doing. This is what we were doing with the broom. We just kind of took some of the grass that I picked or cut from my yard and just cut it and filled it in with the broom to make it fuller. And then this is what we wrapped, the hemp string we wrapped around several times, obviously. The end of the broom, actually at the end of where the grass is, just to kind of hold that all together with the existing. So there's all of the ribbons that we made. And then there's that that one part of that sign that we detached from the bigger sign that I got from the Dollar Tree. So the legs, I just stuck those in between so those can just be pulled out. But I think it turned out really good. I used all of what I had already on hand and just really got a few extra things from like the Dollar Tree. But I think it turned out really, really good, and it looks right against my teal door. Please let me know if you have any great decorating tips and tricks. I would love to hear them. Please give me a big thumbs up and share with your DIY friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.